It has very simple design. Here. Yeah. It's very powerful, very strong. I'm going to unbox and review this oral irrigator. Let's look what's inside. It has very simple design. It is supposed to be just connected to the water supply and then just provide water. There are two different fittings. I don't know what's the difference, but probably it provides more water. We'll see later. Also, it provides multiple adapters and short instruction how to install it. It's in English, fortunately. There is also instruction how to use it. So yeah, like I said, there is the one having 3 holes and another has only one hole. Let's test it and see how it works. Let's put it in action. So first we need to install our irrigator. That's pretty simple. We have to put this thing here. We need to plug the irrigator. So first put it down slightly. Now it locks. And the water now comes through this. Let's put okay, testing. Wow, it's pretty powerful to my mind. It's very powerful, very strong. I think it's even more powerful than electric one which I had. You can control the flow with this regulator. So this is the minimum, and this is not even maximum. This is the maximum flow. To my mind, it's even more powerful than needed. Just look at this. Let's test another fitting. We can unplug this one and put another one with 3 holes. It is very easy to install and uninstall, just like this. Okay, so I just tested with cleaning my teeth, and I can tell you that it is very strong and useful and comfortable, because the hole is relatively big and it provides very comfortable stream which doesn't hurt too much your mouth. Another good thing about this device is that you can easily wash it with just water, unlike electric ones. So I had electric one and there were a lot of dirt on this spring and everywhere on the handle as well, and it was hard to maintain and keep it clean. With this one I think it will be much easier. Really unexpected I thought that electric should be much better, but apparently this very simple design is even more efficient. Highly recommended. I think it's even better than electric one. Highly recommended product. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.